that ain't new. Pull that out. So I went to Dodge recently, and make sure y'all get a good picture of that. That's my damn coolant. So I'm about to go flush my coolant. Let me turn this around. I'm about to go flush my coolant, and it had me thinking, man. So Dodge wanted to charge me $400 to flush my coolant and redo it, you know, all of that. So I went ahead and, like most of us, I got on YouTube and I found that I can do this shit my damn self. All right, so a lot of this video goes to Chris Fix. I'll have his link in the description below. That's where I learned how to do this myself, and y'all can do the same. So look, man, I'll give y'all a new video, but it's not gonna be the typical car bullshit that I'm used to posting. I'm actually help y'all out. So recently went to Dodge to get a coolant flush priced. They told me $400 in like 6 hours. I figured we're on YouTube, let me look it up and do this shit myself and help other people out. So $400 versus $54. That's how much everything costs. But let's get to the good and greedy. All right, so the first thing I gotta show y'all as far as this goes. Actually, you can follow me over here. All right. So for the 16 Chrysler 300S, you're gonna need this coolant. I picked this up at the AutoZone next to my house. You're gonna need 2.5 gallons, 10 quarts. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and get you a pen so you can catch all your fluid when it's dripping. All right, so excuse the dirt. Do my own shit. All right, so the next big thing is gonna be your front bumper. So you're gonna have to take this off. And I'm gonna just bring up the main 3 connections. You're gonna have, this is for your side marker light. This one right here. And there's another one on the opposite side. You can't miss them. Your bumper will not come off if you don't disconnect them. The next piece is gonna be this connector right here. And it goes to the lights. This is for your fog lights. Make sure you disconnect that, don't break that off. Your next piece is gonna be these. It's all of your little clamps. You're gonna have them all alongside the top of the bumper. Just get your tool, pry them off. And then for the next part of your bumper, you're gonna have 2 screws at the bottom. They're gonna connect to the bottom of the car. Those are 10 mil sockets, so just grab a 10 mil wrench or a 10 mil socket and just go ahead and twist them off. So next is actually gonna be your coolant, so follow me over. I'm gonna try to get this on camera for you. All right, so actually I might have to do that. Just down right here, you're not gonna be able to see it. All right, so the next thing, this is gonna be this. Can't hit it. It's gonna be that. That clamp is what's keeping this hose tight. But the thing is, you're gonna have to locate this, and you can't miss it. It's the only piece under the car that's hanging out. That's where your coolant is actually gonna drain from. Next, they call this the Pico or Pico, but this little knob right here is what actually keeps all your fluid in. So once you're prepped and ready to go, you're just gonna have to twist this counterclockwise. And you can twist it to where it comes out. It is recommended to not do that. But once you start to twist it, all your coolant will flow out. Your drip pan will be here. And then it's gonna end up looking like that. That's the old coolant. So then, once all of that is drained out, this is gonna be your after result. You're gonna have your little bin full of your old coolant. So I'll show y'all this on the camera. Don't worry about the little plastic pieces that you see in here. That's what came with this. I just bought it today. But you should not see any kind of shavings in your old coolant. I think that's common sense. But all right, so next, it's gonna be once you get all your old coolant out, you seal it back off, tighten your little Petco screw back up. Just take your new coolant, Open this up, make sure it's cold. Actually, it's going to be empty, so it doesn't matter now. Open this up, fill it. You're going to watch the coolant drain out. Keep filling it until you